Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com. I just wanted to take a quick moment to wish you and your family and your friends a happy holiday season, a Merry Christmas, a Happy Hanukkah. We are so excited that you have been with us all year long, watching our channel, shopping on our store, trusting us for reviews and sending in stuff for service. We're so happy to be in the wet shaving community. I have been a wet shaver for almost 20 years and a business owner for about 10. Every year I'm continued to be amazed and blown away by how awesome this community is, how much it's grown, how many other fantastic artisans and vendors are out there making wonderful things. So many of them we get to sell and bring to our store, put on our shelves for our customers out there. And it's been a fantastic year. We are so excited that you guys continue to choose Razor Emporium to be a place for your vintage shaving needs, for your soaps, your blades, your splashes, your razors, your restoration, and we thank you so much. Without you, the customer, we wouldn't be able to grow the way we have. We wouldn't be able to grow to have 7, 8 full-time employees, to be able to have a big warehouse, to be shipping packages around the world. It is so far from where this all began in my garage, more than a decade ago. The dream keeps on getting bigger, and it's because of you guys out there supporting us, choosing us, recommending us, and watching us. And we're just happy to be part of this, so thrilled to be part of this. And we just wanted to give this quick note of Thanksgiving and Merry Christmas and good tidings for the new year for all of our viewers out there in YouTube land and all of our viewers around the world. Thank you so much for tuning in to Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.